To overdraft with Chime, you'll need to utilize their opt-in service called SpotMe, which is available to eligible users. To qualify, you must first activate your Chime debit or credit builder card and set up a monthly direct deposit of at least $200. Once you've completed these steps, you can set up SpotMe by launching the Chime mobile app, logging into your account, and navigating to the Settings tab to check your eligibility. If you're eligible, you can agree to the terms and conditions to activate SpotMe. With SpotMe, Chime will cover transactions that exceed your available balance, starting with an initial limit of $20, which can be adjusted based on your direct deposit history and how long you've been using Chime. Note that you cannot manually increase your overdraft limit, although Chime may offer temporary promotions, or you can receive a SpotMe boost of $5 from someone else. It's worth noting that rates and limits are subject to change over time. By following these steps, you can overdraft with Chime using the SpotMe service.